Welcome back to our discussion on cost of equity capital calculation. In the previous lecture, we have developed a simple formula of KE is equal to G by P0, which is based on the constant dividend capitalization model, where the dividend was assumed constant in each year. Now we will make that situation a little bit complicated. We are going to the second type of formula where we will assume that dividend is growing. This growth rate is a constant rate G. So if it happens, then let us see what changes we have to make in the formula. Suppose the dividend paid in the current year is D0. G0. Now, if the dividend D0 goes at G rate, then after 1 year, the dividend will be D1, which will be equal to current year's dividend D0 plus D0 into growth rate. So, G1 is equal to D0 plus D0 G. So, if we take D0 common, it becomes D0 into 1 plus G. That means we can say dividend after 1 year will be current dividend D0 into 1 plus growth rate. Similarly, if I calculate the dividend payable after year 2, which is D2, then you have to consider the dividend of the previous year means D1, and this D1 will go at a D rate. So D1 plus D1 into growth rate G. So again, you take G1 common, you will get G1 into 1 plus G. So D2 is equal to D1 into 1 plus G. Now, already we have got that D1 is equal to D0 into 1 plus G. So we can substitute the value of D0 in place of D1. In that case, you have to write D0 into 1 plus D in place of D1. So ultimately it will be D0 into 1 plus D into 1 plus D. That means D0 into 1 plus D square. So D1 was D0 into 1 plus D, D2 was D1 D0 into 1 plus D square. So generalizing it, we can write Dn is equal to D0 into 1 plus D to the power n. So we can substitute this generalized figure in place of D0, D1, D2, etc. of the original concept formula or original expansion. So actually then my equation will be P0 means price, market price of the share is equal to D0 into 1 plus D, this is D1 divided by 1 plus K plus D0 into 1 plus D square, it is D2 divided by 1 plus K square plus it will continue up to infinity. So if we look at this particular expansion, then you will clearly see that the right hand side is again a GP infinity series, but the nature of the first term and common ratio has changed. Previously, the first term was G by 1 plus K. Now it is G0 means current year dividend into 1 plus growth rate. That means that the numerator is D1 divided by 1 plus K. This is your first term. And common ratio B is equal to 1 plus growth rate divided by 1 plus K. So now we can apply the concept of summation of the GP series in the expansion on the right hand side. So it is P0 is equal to G into 1 plus G divided by 1 plus K divided by 1 minus 1 plus G by 1 plus K. So G into 1 plus G by 1 plus K into 1 plus K divided by, now it is 1 plus K minus 1 minus G. So again 1 plus K will cancel out, and 1 plus K minus 1 minus G, here 1 will cancel out. So the numerator will be G 0 into 1 plus G divided by Ke minus G. So now rearrange it, then ultimately the formula becomes cost of equity is equal to growth rate G plus G0 by into 1 plus G divided by P0. In fact, in the numerator, instead of G0 into 1 plus G, you can write D1. So ultimately, your formula number 2, where we are assuming a constant growth in the dividend rate, the cost of equity is equal to G plus G1 by P0. So now we have developed the formula. So we are now ready to solve the problems one by one. Let us look at the problem number 1. It is based on the constant dividend model. That means formula number 1. Here the company has issued equity share of rupees 10 each. Means the nominal value of the share is 10. It is usually paying dividend of rupees 6 per year. Since nothing has been mentioned, this usual dividend rate of rupees 6, we will assume that this particular dividend rate will be maintained in future years also. So, in place of dividend, constant dividend D, we can write rupees 6. Now, next line of the problem is company is confident that the existing dividend rate will be maintained in the coming years also. So now it is confirmed that D will be rupees 6. After this share is currently traded in the market at rupees 40. So your P or PG or whatever may be is rupees 40. This is the current market price of the share. Therefore, as per our first formula, where dividend is constant, K was equal to current dividend rate D divided by P0, that means current market price of the share. On the basis of this, you substitute the value 6 divided by 40, the result is 0.15. So we can conclude that cost of capital is 15%. That's all in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will continue further looking at some other problems.